Okay, it is June 3rd, 2016, just about 5 p.m. We are just arriving in Bristol for the fireworks show here at the Bristol Blues baseball game tonight. Alright, it looks like Kevin's here, Barbara's here. The truck with the product is here, and the fire marshal. So I am just arriving on site. Stay tuned for the show. You'll see us setting up, shooting the show, and tearing it down. Got a show today. Hopefully the weather holds off. Looks like rain, but so far so good. And we got a show here tomorrow too. So I'll be here 2 straight days. Okay, we're on site. Gene just opened up the truck and move the product around so we can get to the racks. We set the racks up right in here. Same site as last year. We done, I forget how many shows last year. So we set right up in here. It's not a big show. Goes after the ball game. The field is over there. After the Bristol Blues game tonight, we'll shoot the show. And then we got another one here tomorrow. Okay, we're going to get to work, and I'll record throughout the day. Alright, as you can see, Ed is slowly getting to the racks. Start unloading racks and setting up here. Alright, we got the 3s out for the body of the show. We got 2.5s.
Where's the opener you did over there? What do you need for that? 3. 3 3-inch? 3 2.5. Oh. Yep.
Okay, so we have the body of the show laid out. That's the opening, 2.5 and 3s. And now we got the finale. Like I said, this is a small show. This is just for the baseball game. We got another show here tomorrow. Got several throughout the baseball season. So I'll be back many times. Now we're setting up finale. 3-inch, 2.5. And as you can see, we got all the racks laid out. Now we're in the process of cleaning out the mortars. Once we get them all cleaned out, we'll start building them. I had another one sitting over there.
Good enough on your end, right? Okay, good. Oh, sorry. Bunch more.
As you can see, we're in the process of building the pods. We have Ed working on that pod of 3s. I'm going to work right here. We have Maria and Bob. And on the finale we have Barbara and Kevin. So let me get to work.
I'd
Those are the good ones. When you got to go over something, that was probably opened up to go over.
And as you can see, we are in the process of building the pods. Working on building the 3-inch pods here. Alright, we're almost done building racks already. We don't really have that many. That's the opening. And then you have, for the body of the show, 2 pods of 2.5, 2 pods of 3, and over you can see them building the finale. So that's it. And like I said, we do quite a few shows throughout the baseball season here. Got another one tomorrow. So this is one of the easy shows. I enjoy the small shows, you know. Okay, we are, believe it or not, all set up. We're taking a 5-minute break here, and then we'll start loading the product. It is only 6:37. The ball game didn't even start yet. It starts at 7. So they didn't even start playing yet. So we have an entire baseball game to go. So we'll have this all ready to go with no problem. It is a cloudy, damp day. It's
sticky.
Yeah, it's kind of a icky day. We had rain early this morning. They said there was a chance of thunderstorms today, but so far, knock on wood, we lucked out. So anyway, there's the opener. Like I said, I got to load product yet. We have nothing loaded, but everything is built, ready to go, and cleaned out. So we have the opener. We have the body. 2.5-inch shells will go here, and 3-inch shells go here. And then we have the finale. 2.5s, and then into the 3-inch. And that's it. The show goes after the baseball game, so there's really no set time. It's whenever the ball game is over. As soon as the game ends, we got about 1 minute to get in our places and get the show started. So I'll figure out where I'm going to put the camera tonight. I'm going to be on 2.5s tonight. It's going to be me and Ed doing the majority of the lighting. My stepdaughter Maria, she says she wants to light a few, so I might let her jump in here with me and light some. She's on her 2nd season. She started last year, so I'll still have her work with me. So I'm going to be down here. So what I'll probably do is put the tripod like right here, so you can see right down the row. And then for the finale, I'll just turn the camera over. Unfortunately, last week, the way the set, or 2 weeks ago in Collinsville, I never, where the camera was set up, I never had a chance to run back and move the camera. So as the finale was going off, the ground view, you didn't see the racks. So tonight, I'll have this set up in a way where as soon as I'm done firing and the finale is going to go off, I'll move the camera on the tripod that way. So probably the only thing you will not see tonight is going to be the opening, because that's behind where I'm going to have this thing set up. All right, stay tuned. We will start loading the product after our break.
Load them up.
Number 15 from each
Are they singles?
state. Jamin and
God love them.
Alrighty, it's time to start loading the shells.
University, Jordan, Lucan.
I'm working on 2.5s.
Number 13 from Quinnipiac University, Brendan.
We have doubles.
Every single
Now for the infielders, number 36 from Harvard, Trent Ryan.
Baseball game is just starting. They're just starting to announce players. So we'll have this put together in no time.
Number 27 from Holy
Well
Cross,
before the show,
Spencer.
before the game is over.
Now for the outfielders.
Yes.
336 and a
University of Rhode
2.5.
Island, number 18,
And
Tyler
178 on the
Rosen.
threes. So there'll be a couple threes.
And the manager of the 15th Sun, Tom Connolly. Al Zachary.
All right, you get the point here.
split up the double. How about both doubles on the box over there?
Well, like I said, I'm working on 2.5. Ed, Bob, Maria, they're loading
Shoot them in hands, you
threes.
gotta remember, mix them up.
When you're firing, Charles, where you are?
Mix them up. So take, full box in your hand.
No, I don't. I just grabbed a couple out of a box.
Tonight, like I said, Ed's gonna be on 3s. I'll be on 2.5s. Maria may work with me, lighten some.
God, I hope not. I will leave early. Yep. You put those racks over there, right, with your pickup truck? Good.
And fine with it. I got you beat by a long shot there. I do them from there. Right? So how much they kind of bunch you got?
Yeah, I'm gonna do this.
Loading shells to the national anthem.
What'd you do? Take a break?
This one you're saying or this one?
Is double maybe put on the end here?
Yeah.
For the national anthem.
That works. I'm good with that.
He goes 66.
Here's this three. Let's do this.
They had him from the sponsor. They failed.
All right, I am done with my pods. Everything is loaded, tucked, and banded, so I'm ready to go. We still have Maria and Ed tucking and banding. And we have Bob fusing the opening. Oh, Bob, that's a tough one. 3 strings.
Yeah, yeah. I had a lot of
I don't know.
Wow.
I hope you didn't get confused on this one.
You know, I ran it into a circle and left one out.
Obviously, you could see you light one end and then it goes there, there, and there. 3 strings. Can't mess that up.
Let's hope so.
Well, let's hope so. Never say never, right? Okay, so he's just putting the finishing touches on the opening. My pods of 2.5 are all ready to go.
And then I
We
tuck
have
it in,
Ed and Maria
like so.
finishing up on the 3s.
See how I do that?
And we have Barbara, Caitlin, and Kevin fusing the finale. So we will be done shortly, and like I said, we just have to wait for the baseball game to be over. So now I guess would be a good time to set up my tripod and figure out the best view for the show.
Adding a right fielder, number 32 from Bentley, Brandon Rover.
Alright, I guess this is going to be the view for tonight. It's going to be my 2 pod. Ed's going to be down there. Maria may be sharing a flare with me. I'll let her light some. So I'm going to be right in here. So that's pretty much going to be the view, the ground view for tonight's show. And of course I'll have my second camera getting the show up in the air. Alright, we got a couple hours until the game is over, so I guess stay tuned. Okay, game's over. As soon as the lights go out, we go.
Just one, from all I could see. Light it out.
There you go. There you go. Ed, get over here. It was me, Ed, and Maria. Layton. Great job. Awesome. Good job. Stand by. Okay. The show went well. Everybody's pleased. Now, because we have a show here tomorrow again, same setup, same amount, what we're doing is we're not tearing these racks down. We built them.
Tearing nothing down?
No. That's why we built the finale in such a way like this, in sections, so we can move them. These are all in separate sections. So what we're going to do is we're going to move them over to the pavilion and just cover everything up so nothing gets wet, just in case it rains, and then tomorrow we'll just bring them back out.
Same time tomorrow?
I think 6 tomorrow. We could come a little later because we don't got to build anything.
Oh, then I will be here.
I see what they did. They didn't cut the boards prior to building them.
So now, all right. You got a bad back, so you don't be.
You know, my back's all
Bottom one
right.
isn't.
These aren't, once they're cut into, you know, that's why we built them in.
Wait a minute, wait a minute.
Guy driving, watching.
I don't like it when you yell.
That means you're experienced.
Back's all right.
Gene's a trip. We love that guy.
1, 2, 3.
Anyway,
Now this one's gonna
that's not gonna
drop.
work.
No, do this.
Keep going, right?
you want help?
Yeah, a little late. Oh, I'm stuck.
You didn't want
That's
to go
why it
with
was so hard.
You didn't want to go with the boat?
All right.
Why?
You know what? Grab that one so it
Yeah,
don't
so
flop.
what I don't understand is why didn't we
Cut them prior.
have this cut prior? There we go.
Somebody thought it was great for stability.
Okay, now we're good.
Now we're clear. Yep.
I think we got to do the other one though too.
Yes. Same thing.
Did you hear what Barbara said?
Yeah.
In the middle,
She
Dom.
said Kevin wanted stability.
Yeah.
Well, what about tomorrow?
It's gonna make it. Well, today it was stable. All right, come over on this side.
You want me to go down the middle or on the side?
Probably the middle. You ready?
Yeah. Okay, so now they're in manageable sections. Yeah, you're gonna just drive along the side and
So you want me right down the middle?
I guess, yeah, and we're gonna use the lift gate, right?
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
what he said.
absolutely. Yeah, come right down the middle. All right, stand by.
Keep 'em up.
Okay.
All right, that's good right there for now. All right, turn on the lift gate.
Looking.
He's looking.
To pick up the mess, right?
I'll pick this up.
Ready?
Set.
1, 2, 3.
Watch your step on it. Nicely done. Careful.
Watch the.
I was watching. I just have to get it off the ground. You want to put another one right now?
Right on top of it.
Yeah.
You probably have to lower that.
Yeah.
Better. You own it. Thought I'd plow the field while I was on my way over.
Well, you were.
Huh?
Did you hear that?
Did I cut some of the grass down a little bit?
Yeah, you were digging dirt.
Nice.
Why? Did you hear the whistle?
Barely.
Oh, you want to do this first? Don, you got that in all yourself?
No. Sure? You're not sure.
Watch your feet, watch your feet.
Yeah, I'm playing a fucking game so we can get forward and trying to make my shot.
They like
Yes. I bet you can get this is a real bonding moment. Oh, that's bondage.
just try working.
I was gonna say, I think that would help. We do it by here, or will that come on?
You fit?
Gotta go push back.
You want to put some more on top?
Maybe one.
I'm riding the truck back this time.
No shit.
2 trips back and forth, my legs feel it. So I'm riding the truck back.
Why?
More.
Jane, go a little more. A little more. That single one can go up the top there.
Good.
Cut it a little bit.
You. Cut it.
Cut it.
That way. Straight. Now straighten out. Stop.
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 Whoa!
Forward. All right.
Back up.
The gate up a little. Okay, good.
Come back.
Not too far.
I got it. All right, good.
Up.
No,
That's-
it'll stay. It'll stay. Hold on. 70%'s on there.
Get the fire extinguishers.
Hang on.
This was it out here in the field, right? Nothing left?
Yeah, that's it.
Hold on, one more fire extinguisher.
Huh?
You're gonna rake?
All right. Let me move my car back down there. As now the field is empty. That was the last rack we had to move. Like I said, normally we don't get to do this, but because we have back-to-back shows, they're identical. We're just leaving the racks built. We can't leave them in the field because they got a soccer game tomorrow, Saturday morning. So or we'd have left them right here, but they need this field for soccer. So we're just putting them off by the pavilion, and then we'll just have to move them back when we come down here on site. All right, I'll be out of here in just minutes. Just got to pack up all my personal gear. Okay, so that is it. All the racks are over here by the pavilion, flipped upside down just in case it rains. They won't get wet. Oh, you know what? Maria was right. She said it was raining. There is a little bit of mist starting to fall. Look at. We opened up the heavens with our fireworks. All right, let me just start packing up our personal gear, and we will be out of here in just minutes. Alrighty. 11:18 p.m. and we are leaving the site until tomorrow. Gonna be back out here 5 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. So this is going to wrap up tonight's show here from Bristol, Connecticut. Hope everyone enjoyed my video. So until tomorrow, I'm saying good night from Bristol, Connecticut.